Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and has at least a small charge so it won't power down while you change modes. Next, open the Settings app and go to Battery or Power. Search if you don't see it. Once there, make sure any QuickTile battery saver toggle in the notification shade is off before proceeding. This prevents the system from re-enabling restrictions while you change deeper settings. Now move to Detailed Options to fully remove the mode. Once in the battery screen, tap Battery Saver or Low Power Mode and switch it off. This restores normal background activity and CPU performance immediately. Make sure to also open Adaptive or Scheduled Saver settings and disable any automatic triggers. Otherwise, the mode may restart at a preset battery percentage or time. If apps were placed on restricted background lists, remove those restrictions so notifications and sync resume. You'll notice performance and network activity return to typical levels. Finish by restarting the device to ensure all processes pick up the new power configuration. This clears transient limits and restarts background services. If the battery saver returns or apps still behave as if restricted, go to Battery Settings and choose Reset or Clear Battery Preferences to remove lingering rules. Also inspect any manufacturer power management apps that can override system settings and disable their saver features. If problems
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.